Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Fan Edition has launched in India and all over the world. So in this video we are going to talk about its features and why it is the most important tab in 2021 and you should definitely consider buying it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will talk about tablets and Samsung devices, and also we will give you a brief overview about the features and the general system configuration, and also talk about what are the advantages and disadvantages or pros and cons of this tab. So without further ado, let's start with the video. Before we start, I would appreciate if you subscribe to my channel and share the videos with your friends and family. So here goes. We have opened Samsung UK website, and in this website we will walk you through the product overview and the system of the Galaxy Tab S7 FE 5G. So there are many variants of the S7. There is one standalone S7, there is one standalone S7 Plus, and then there is S7 FE. FE is fan edition version. Basically it is for the fans, and recently they have also Samsung announced fan edition mobile phone which was dedicated to BTS music group, a K-pop Korean group. So I guess this is where it must be. So we will see how it is. Now let's talk about the design. So here it is the design of this display. So it has 12.4 inches diagonally screen size. It has camera and S Pen feature. S Pen is for writing and scribbling. So the first thing is beauty in simplicity. That is it has the sleekness of Galaxy Tab S7 FE and simple unibody design, and it has minimum camera housing on the rear and the slim form factor. So it keeps your grip comfortable, and there are range of 4 colors through which you can choose which color do you want. So one is Mystic Black, Mystic Silver, Mystic Green and Mystic Pink. So here are the 4 colors of the tab, and it looks really nice from there. And now let's talk about the display. So it has 12.4 inch display. It has the vibrant screen, lets detail shine, and the cinematic experience is enhanced with the incredible sound by AKG. It supports dual speaker which supports Dolby Atmos, so it will create immersive surround sound to place you in the center of the scene on screen. So yes, it supports Dolby Atmos, so movie watchers will be really excited. Now let's talk about other features. So let's talk about the microprocessor. So it has Snapdragon 750G chipset, and it keeps your streaming and gaming smooth and fast. It has multitask with ease to launch up 3 apps all at once. So basically you can launch 3 apps at once, and it has storage of more than 1 TB, where you can use a micro SD card. Your important files can stay at hand. So basically it is an octa-core processor, and there are 2 variants available. One is 4 gigabytes of RAM and 64 GB of storage, and another one is 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. It has micro SD card which supports up to 1 terabyte, so you can always expand the size of your disk. Now let's talk about what are the connective features. So there are many features of connectivity. So basically it supports 5G. So yes, the first tab which supports 5G. In India 5G is about to be launched maybe later part of the year. So if you own this laptop now, you will be future free. So you are ready for 5G. Now let's talk about the battery. So it supports 10,090 milliamp hour battery which lasts up to 13 hours when you're watching videos, and it will give you plenty of time for streaming marathon. And it has 45 watts super fast charging, so in around 90 minutes you can get full charge. So that is really nice because it supports fast charging. It is really beneficial for those who just want to consume lot of data and lot of stuff. Now let's talk about the camera. So in this camera we have 3 microphones embedded around the display. So in this you can stay in the center of the screen, and it supports clear voice. So there are front cameras, video call and the center of the screen. So yes, it is at the center of the screen, and when you are talking your voice comes through clearly with the 3 microphones. So there will be noise cancellation, so your talk will not be distorted. And let's talk about S Pen. So there is one S Pen, it is the propriety of Galaxy devices. So it is low latency and soft tip, which includes S Pen's a natural writing experience. More than that, it turns handwriting into text in real time and lets you edit text with simple gestures when you are done. And it magnetically snaps into sides for easy carrying. No need to charge S Pen. Yes, so you don't have to charge it. And it supports handwriting to text in real time. So this is one important feature, that while you are writing, scribbling down, it will be converted into text in real time. You don't have to wait for it. And it looks like very premium, no need to charge, and very low latency means how long your writing will be converted into electrical signal. So this is how it is. Go ahead, put it all in the writing. So it can turn handwriting into tidy text, so your writing instantly turned into text for easy organization. So for example, if you write something, it can easily turn into notes, and you can take down notes and convert those text at a tap. So just tap once and it will be converted into text. So it's very simple and very easy. Also title and tag it. So while you are taking notes, the app will automatically recommend titles by analyzing the content and suggest hashtags to keep your notes organized. So this is the most cool feature. So here that you can see, you have write down ingredients for sandwich and certain names, and all of a sudden its artificial intelligence will give you some hashtags which you can use, so that while you are creating an Instagram post, and at the same time you will be getting a lot of hashtags, so it will support your text and you don't have to wait for long. And if you are an artist or you want to create many designs and graphics, so this is the good device for you, because you can actually make good devices from it, and these are actually created by many people, so you can actually draw in it. So this is very cool feature for those who are professional artists and digital creators. And it has a one Clip Studio Paint. So basically you S Pen, with the use of S Pen and Clip Studio Paint, which is a software, so you can illustrate and create comics with the help of storyboarding, inking and other tools. So app is in your free for 6 months. You will get 6 months free subscription, and you can create comics from here, and there are a lot of features and a lot of tools available. So for those who wants to create digitally, it's a very good device for them to carry around. And it also will be 6 months free subscription for those who purchase the tab. And design like a professional, so you can design thousands of customizable templates, and you can design marketing materials, social media posts, or at all in one place. So it has Canva Pro and unlock beautiful content and time saving tools. So yes, Canva is very important software, and I also use it for creating my YouTube thumbnails and my Instagram posts for my sister's channel. So it is really important software, and here you can use this software. It supports 4 times a year 50 A. So basically Canva app will allow you to create social media posts, and it has many templates and you can create your post very easily. And let's talk about other things that it supports. Flow with Note Shelf. So Note Shelf is a software in which it gives you more choices in how you take notes. So let's say you are taking notes, and whether you are typing or you are using S Note, so its fluid note taking feels natural as you learn or create. And you can access hundreds of notebook covers and paper templates free without a membership. So it is very cool feature. It's all for those who scribbling down things in the tab. So if you are drawing and doing something writing, it is a good device. Now let's talk about other features. So Samsung DeX, so it gives you access to your apps and files and lets you open things easily through the intuitive simplified taskbar. And app order layout syncs up with your app screen, so you can quickly find the app you want, and you can use Samsung keyboard for even more convenience. So basically it's just about turning your tab into a laptop, kind of laptop, not exactly the laptop, but whenever you connect it to any external device, it will just looks like a real desktop. So as you can see, you will be able to use it like you are using a computer or notebook. So this is very cool feature, because it will save you to purchase a separate laptop. And there is multitasking. So here these are the multitasking, you can use many apps at once, 3 apps at once, so it will be really nice. It has recent app section and edge panel, so you can just set your apps whether you want or not. So multiply your screen with the enhanced multitasking experience. And App Pair allows you to launch up to 3 apps at once. So this is very cool feature, because not only you will be multitasking, but at the same time 3 softwares differently you can diverge your attention to all of it, like you are watching a live cricket match, or you're just doing your homework or attending a business call all at once. It will be really nice feature. And these apps can be custom arranged to your specific needs, even with multiple instances of the same app. So multiple instances mean you can open one app more than 2 times, and with different profiles you can use the same thing. So let's say you have opened some certain softwares like Google Chrome. You can open another Google Chrome with another ID, and you can use both these at once. So it's a very cool feature. Now let's talk about other features. So it has a galaxy experience, and it can move websites between devices or copy text on your tablet and paste it onto your phone. So whether you are getting a call while watching a movie, so Galaxy Buds automatically connect to your phone and then switch back to your tablet when you are done. So basically you won't miss out on any notification or any calls while you are doing your work on your tab, because if you have Galaxy phone, it will definitely and most certainly it will fetch the data or any important notification from there, and it will show you onto your tab. So this is very cool feature, because you don't have to carry around your phone all the time. It will be easier for you to just carry your tab, and you will be able to use all the things all at once. Galaxy Buds, these are very cool feature, because you have to purchase separately, but once you do, it will automatically sync with both your phone and your tablet, and you will be able to take calls and receive calls and answer calls both easily, and you can also make calls. So now let's talk about some specifications. So here are the technical specifications that you must be interested in, because without that it will be really difficult for you to understand. So CPU clock speed is 2.2 gigahertz and 1.8 gigahertz. Weight is around 608 grams. So it has CPU speed octa-core type processor. Display is 12.4 inches, and the main display is 2560 by 1600, that is WQXGA. And technology, main display is TFT, though basically it's LCD display with TFT, and color depth is 16 million colors, so no HDR. Keep in mind, because HDR have 10-bit panel which supports up to million colors. So here there is something which you keep in mind, because you won't be getting HDR experience here. S Pen supports, yes. So camera, you will get main camera is 8 megapixel resolution, front camera is 5 megapixel. It supports 30 fps full HD recording. Rear camera will be autofocus, and rear camera will be flash, so there is no flash, keep in mind. And memory, two options, 4GB and 6GB. 64GB ROM. Available memory will be 46GB, and external memory support will be up to 1TB. You can always improve or customize your device, so you can enhance it. Now network, it supports 5G, so there are 5 networks supported: 38, 40, 41, 77 and 78. So 5 bands are supported. This is really nice on 4G. And also FDD sub 6 support, so N1, N3, N5, N7, N8, N20 and N28. So these are the 5G bands all supported, so it's a good device, ready to go. Connectivity, it connects USB 3.2 Gen 1, and it supports Wi-Fi direct. No NFC in this device. PC sync, yes, it can be synced with your PC. Now location technology, it has GPU, GLONASS, Baidu and Galileo. So Wi-Fi, it supports Wi-Fi A, B, G and AC, but not Wi-Fi 6. So keep in mind, only 2 bands are supported, 2.4 and 5 gigahertz, not 6 gigahertz band. And here you have to keep in mind, when it is not supporting Wi-Fi 6, and now many routers are supporting Wi-Fi 6 and many internet speeds are over 1 Gbps, you will not be able to utilize that much speed. So keep in mind if you are purchasing this one. And for me it's a kind of deal breaker, because I would go with the latest technology. If they are providing you 5G phone, then it can also give you Wi-Fi 6, so that it can utilize the speed properly. Now Bluetooth is support 5.0, and Bluetooth profiles here you can see for your reference. Operating system is Android, and form factor is tablet. Now let's talk about what are the sensors will be given. So it has accelerometer, gyro sensor, geomagnetic sensor, Hall sensor and light sensor. So these are all the sensors, and it is the battery 10,090 milliamp hour battery. And audio and video playback, so it supports Ultra HD 4K playback at 30 frames per second. No 8K playback support right now. And services, so it supports Gear, supports Galaxy Buds Pro, and mobile TV, no, it does not support mobile TV. And so these are all the specifications of this device. So I really hope you enjoyed this video and understand what is all about. I think this is a very good device for if you want to have a tablet for yourself, and it has many features. while you are creating and designing, so it's a good option for you to have. 12.4 inches is a very good size, so it's a very cool size feature. Pricing will be around 42,000 to 48,000 depending upon the availability and the features. Certain features may vary in India, but since it is UK device, so here are all the available details that I have shown you. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, put it on your comment section. I will try to answer all of it. Also, if you like, you can check out my other videos on my channel. I make videos regarding unboxing and many new technologies, latest technologies in many fields, computers, televisions, mobile and whatnot. So that's it for now guys. Thanks for staying on my channel. I will be seeing you next time. Bye.